Alright, welcome guys. We're going to do a little apartment tour here of my 500 square foot apartment in Kansas City, downtown. It's quaint, it's small, super cute, love it. I try to make it kind of homey. Here we're going into my bedroom, I guess you could say. This area here in the brick wall, I think used to be a window at one point that they had closed off, so I put some lights around it. Here's just a cool map of America, put that above the bed. Trying to remember where everything's at. Pillows, various places. This chest here my grandma actually gave me when I moved out on my own. These paintings I got from Made in KC. It's a local shop here in Kansas City. Got one of the Western Auto sign, the shuttlecock. Here's my actual window. Got that Patrick Mahomes candle. Woo woo, go Chiefs. This got a plant, a little picture of an elephant. I don't know, various things there. And there's Swayze, my little pup. Hey dude. Alright, here's my office. A little bit of everything here. Oh, gotta say hi again. Hi. I do my makeup here. I do work here. My cat eats here. That's why there's food bowls. Yep, got to zoom in on the food. Just kind of, this is an all-in-one area. Got this cool lamp, also from my grandparents as I moved out. They were decluttering it from their home, so I took it off their hands. I think it kind of fills the space. It's industrial, so it kind of goes along with my apartment. It's kind of that industrial vibe to it, the brick wall, all exposed beams, you'll see here in a bit. Here's my living room, I guess you could say. Also got that dog crate there for Swayze when I'm gone, so that he stays out of trouble. That wood art stuff above my couch is definitely from Target. I know that, I can tell you that. Here, this table my dad actually built a long time ago. Got my little wine rack. Cork holder, it says the best wines are those shared with friends. Alright, moving into my bathroom. Here we have, oh, be brave little one, it says as you enter the bathroom. Hanging my robes and stuff there on the door to go in my bathroom. Oh, hello, don't mind me. That cross stitch there, my grandma made. Got a cat as well. It's got the litter box. Got some storage here, various hair, makeup, skincare, all the goodies. Little candle sitting on top. Yeah, back to this. My grandma actually cross stitched this. Ooh. So I thought it'd look kind of cute in there. Yeah, that's the bathroom. Moving back out. Oh, hey, Skipper. Meeting all my pets. This just kind of gives an overview back of that front door, but now we're just on the other side of the apartment. Again, some more Chiefs. Got that super cool clock for Christmas this year. I love it. I love the bright, kind of bold red. That just kind of pops up there, pops some color. I guess this is my eating table. However, I never actually eat there. But I got some flour, sugar, chia seeds, and some storage. Got a candle. This quilt my grandma actually made as well. Super cute. Got my Instapot hanging out there. Now we're going into my kitchen. Kitchen's kind of basic. Nothing too fancy. Oh, here I wanted to show you all the cool pipes and that exposed beam and stuff. That kind of, I don't know, adds a lot of character, I think, to the place. Again, kitchen, we got our essentials. Got the coffee. Got the salt and pepper shakers. Cabinets aren't nothing too crazy, but it's good storage. I actually have a lot of really good storage in this apartment. I have 2 super big closets, and for one person living here, it's great. This kitchen is for dancing. Oh, I love this. I love dancing. And then yeah, got that clock again. That's it. Now we're looking back out from my kitchen. So obviously there's my bed that we've already been at before. This is kind of just a good overview for you. Alright, well, thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed it. It's nothing too fancy, but I love it. I feel so at home here. Alright, bye guys.